Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Koremoian, and let's get straight to business. Izzy, what have you been doing all week? This week was awesome, but let's start with data structures and algorithms. As you guys know, I purchased this course because I just feel it's a good skill to have, and I've been enjoying learning about the different array methods and how to manipulate data and stuff. So this has been very awesome. What I love about this course is that it's beginner friendly. Brett Traversy, who is the person who made this course, he encourages, like, you don't necessarily have to do them yourself. You can just follow his instructions, and it's just awesome. It's 70 plus problems. He gives you like the different constraints, the hints, the challenge. He has the answers as well. And what you do is you just follow along his tutorial. And as you can see here, I'm already in section 2. Where it was very fun to do with him, and I'm learning a lot. And just to keep, the motion of and improving my JavaScript. So also I changed my theme. As you can see, I'm using Aura, and I love it. It's purple. It's nice. Let's talk about Java. So with Java, as you guys know, I've been learning from this free tutorial, and he's really doing a great job in explaining the different ways. So today I was learning about how to pass objects into arguments, sorry. And what I do with all of my courses that I take as tutorials, I create repos for them. So here's the Java one, and the commits show different activity and the different things that I'm learning. The data structures and algorithms repo, those the same thing, so you can follow along on what I'm doing. So my issue is that I'm a slow learner, so it takes me forever to get through tutorials, but once I'm done, I'm actually able to retain the information. It's like a blessing and a curse. That's what I can say. But I'm enjoying it so far. Now let's talk a little about meetups. Oh my god, this past Sunday, Code and Coffee was awesome. Like 100 people showed up, and we had such a fun time there. You can see a picture of me with the CEO, Steve Chen of Code and Coffee, which is literally the biggest meetup in the United States. We have over 30 chapters. I'm a volunteer there. There's Rowan, who's one of the members. He's such an amazing person. And man, it was a blast. We had Danny Thompson visiting us. We had Dennis. He works for AppRite, and he's a phenomenal software developer. And this is part of the team of volunteers. And it was such a blast. As you can see the pictures, look at so many people we had. And then the host is Capital Bank Cafe. They provided snacks. And it's such a cool space. And what we do is in Code and Coffee is we try to change the venues to like keep it fresh, keep it nice. And this venue in particular was very nice in 34th Street. I got to meet a lot of people, and it was such a great day, man. Networking, getting to know people. And the good thing is, since I always go to the same meetup, I know a lot of the people, so it's always good to see your friends and stuff and spend time with them. But man, if you're in New York City, please do yourself a favor and come to Code and Coffee. And yesterday, I went to a B0 and Auth0 meetup. It was in 23rd Street, and it was good, man. They had, it was a great venue. B0 is a LLM, and Auth0 is a authentication service. So I took, they had some swag. I took my picture, because you have to do this, right? And then I got to meet cool people. So I got to meet Tracy. She's the CEO of This.Lab. She's such a great person, very in the community when it comes to tech. And my friend Bazzi, he's a senior software engineer. I got to see him there. We got to hear the different people that work at B0 and Auth0. So it was fun to hear from these professionals, people doing like big time stuff. So it was just awesome to see everything they have going on with B0 and Auth. So Vercel, this is my second meetup. I will keep going to their meetups. They're very fun, very entertaining, and you always leave knowing something new. So yes, please, if you're in New York City, come and visit us. Or if you are anywhere in the country, do your best to attend meetups. You get to meet so much cool people. You get to learn new stuff, and it's always a good time. And yeah, essentially that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.